This is America. We have a founding fathers that wrote a constitution that we haven't lived by in 142 years.
Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Now y'all saw the video I just made, or gonna see. I don't know which one I'm gonna put up first. And to let you know, this may be just a little bit on the long side, I ain't sure yet. But it's like this, folks. You see the title, right? CERN rattles the world with volcanoes, earthquakes, and not to mention microwave-induced frequencies. Now, why am I saying that? Really? You don't have no clue? Well, pretty much there's a lot of proof on this page. There really is. My video, a lot of different information on the earthquake just happened. And then here's one on Yellowstone as well. Now, Yellowstone is a super volcano, isn't it? Sure is. Now, you know, there was a 4.1 earthquake right here in Southern California. And Dutch provided you with all the information on his website. And he gave you a video on that same location that he found, that he put up on Daily Motion. And he done some more research into it as well. Okay? And gives you the depth and all that stuff about the volcano. Now, let's see. Dr. Descent put out a video, I think it was yesterday, and which is this video right here, and he's talking about a super volcano as well, right here. Okay, now I want you to think about this. Alright, we was talking about Yellowstone a few minutes ago, right? Now, there's all kind of reports that it's done all kinds of things over the last year or so. And it's also done some real crazy things in the last few months. Especially in the last couple of 3 or 4 weeks. Since the word CERNs has been activated. And at full gear. Now folks, what am I trying to say? I mean, if you come here and you read this article, okay, and on this particular one right here, I translated this one, this particular story that's down here, all of this, I had it translated and put it in English for you. And you read all of that, and then you read all of this, and you click on the links, and you go around and you think about all of what's going on. I mean all of it. Every bit of it, folks. And then you read this article here. Which this is just an article really calling everybody a conspiracy theorist. Pretty much that it's hurting Yellowstone's tourist business. Well, I'm not doing this to hurt their business. Not even in the least. I want them to make all the money they can make, and they can keep the place all pretty, and they can save us all. But that ain't gonna happen. When Yellowstone's ready to go, it's gonna go. But I can tell you this. You see this right here, folks? This right here. This is what I see. CERNs can do. You see the other outline of the original line. Y'all seen this flash on and off, okay, where it looks normal and then it looks like this. I made this graph just to give you an illustration of what I think CERNs can do. Why did I do that? Why? I'll tell you why. Because anytime you take a magnetic field and you got one here, and you got one here, and you got one here, and then you put one on the side of the planet, what have you got? You got 3 magnetic fields. Does that one that's on Earth, I mean, the one that's on the side of the Earth, go all the way through? I wouldn't think it does, because it's got the core of the Earth that it's got to battle with, which has a magnetic field, which gives you a north and a south to start with. You know, like an iron rod sticking straight through the Earth, and one's north, one's south. You stick one on the side, it's like sticking it to the center of another magnet. Y'all are all smart enough to know that. And the power they put in a 17-mile circle, 17 miles in diameter. What do you really think, folks, is happening? What do you think? Not to mention, this is heart power. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's HARP. Understand that. But a lot of it is HARP. There's a lot of other things besides HARP out there, though. Don't confuse the word as being one place. It's not. There's hundreds of these damn things. Every superpower has it. Russia, China, Japan even has their own. And every country, mainly the United States, runs all and everything on 2.4 gigahertz. Routers, microwave ovens, some cell phones, wireless, cordless telephones in your house. All of this is microwave frequencies. Some of your towers, your cell phone towers, are putting out anywhere from 50 to 60,000 watts. Continuous duty cycle. Even though they're not supposed to be putting that much power out, which they're not, they're doing it because each antenna has 50 watts. Then there's multiple antennas on there. Up to 50, I've seen. And I say up to 50 to 60,000 watts because of the multiplication factor of the dB gain of the antenna and the height of the antenna. And all of the people that are using cell phones continuously, they're always on a cell phone. There's someone always activating that cell tower. If it's not one person, it's someone else. When they get off, someone else kicks in. It never shuts down. It's always transmitting. It may get a break occasionally, but how many people these days work while everyone else is sleeping? There's bunches of people that work the midnight shift from 11 to 7, and then from 7 o'clock in the morning till whatever other time the people are off. And during the daytime, you have even more people that are awake, that are either off or working, that is on a cell phone. So it never gets a break, ever. Do you get me? Now you got this going on. You got HARP induced power, which whatever frequency they desire to transmit on. And then you got continuous duty cycle microwave in the United States continuously. Haven't you ever wondered why the microwave, I mean, the radiation level in the United States is higher than most other countries? Hadn't you ever wondered why we get spikes sometimes? Have you ever thought that it might be that there's just more moisture in the air that's getting bombarded with microwave frequencies, causing it to go up? Maybe it ain't that. Maybe it doesn't cause that. I'm not quite sure. Some people says it don't. Some people says it does. I don't know. I know someone that's got one. Every one of y'all know it. Dutch says he's tried it. It doesn't. I believe him. But the fact of the matter, it remains. Does it not do it to his machine, but it does it to water or moisture? I don't know. That's a experiment that needs to be tried to see. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not saying I'm completely right here, but I'm saying that I am right here. You can bet your sweet ass that you can't put a magnet on the side of the earth and not weaken our force field, especially during the daylight hours. So this right here, this story right here, just come out. As you see, the 27th, Wednesday. Now, are they fixing to have an eruption right here? I don't know. Could they? Yes, they could. Could we have an eruption at Yellowstone? Or one here? Is it creating the magma to move? Is CERN's making it move? It's my opinion that I'm very highly suspicious of it. And I think we all should be, with the activity that we've had for the last 3 weeks with volcanoes and earthquakes. So with that, folks, from my cold dead hands, and I damn well mean it, abolish corporate government for your freedoms. Much love to y'all. Y'all all have a great day. And for God's sakes, share everybody's stuff that you can. Because as hard as we try, the faster they are trying to take it away. Much love.
Don't forget to follow Tattooed1009.com on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, and Dailymotion and StumbleUpon. Please help spread the word by sharing our articles on your favorite social networks. Go to the links in the below section for updates every day. From my cold dead hands, abolish the corporate government.
Now, why am I saying that? Really? You don't have no clue? Well, pretty much there's a lot of proof on this page. There really is. Sure is. Now, you know, there was a 4.1 earthquake right here in Southern California. And Dutch provided you with all. And to let you know, this may be just a little bit on the long side. I ain't sure yet. But it's like this, folks. You see the title, right? CERN rattles the world with volcanoes, earthquakes, and not to mention microwave-induced frequencies.
This is America. We have a founding fathers that wrote a constitution that we haven't lived by in 142 years.
Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? Now, y'all saw the video I just made, or gonna see. I don't know which one I'm gonna put up first. My video, a lot of different information on the earthquake just happened. And then here's one on Yellowstone as well. Now, Yellowstone is a super volcano, isn't it?